Today I'm going to show you how to give your videos a cinematic look in Canva. Go to Canva and go to videos and open new video project. And after uploading your video, drag it to the design and set video as a background. Click on the video, go to edit video, adjust, increase the warmth and decrease the brightness a little bit, increase a little bit of contrast and decrease a little bit of the saturation, and go to elements, shapes, and resize this shape to make the black bars. Change the color to black, duplicate. That's it, and here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.